A Successful Businessman's Life Routine, Step-by-Step Guide. Success in business doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of intentional effort, clear planning, and consistent habits. While each entrepreneur may tailor their schedule based on industry and personality, many successful businessmen follow structured daily routines that maximize their energy, productivity, and focus. Below is a detailed breakdown of such a routine, step by step, designed around common habits observed among high achievers. 1. Early morning, 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., the power hour. The most successful businessmen often begin their day early. Waking up at 5 a.m. provides a head start while the world is quiet, allowing time for reflection, planning, and physical well-being before the chaos of the day begins. Wake up early. Waking up early is linked to improved mental health and better decision-making. It allows time to prepare for the day without rushing. Hydration and freshening up. After hours of sleep, drinking a glass of water helps jumpstart the metabolism. A quick shower freshens the mind and body. Exercise. A 30 to 60-minute workout, whether it's gym training, yoga, running, or stretching, boosts physical energy and mental clarity. Meditation or mindfulness. Many business leaders practice mindfulness or meditation. Just 10 to 15 minutes helps improve focus and reduce stress. Journaling or gratitude practice. Writing down goals, affirmations, or gratitude statements builds a positive mindset and reinforces clarity. Healthy breakfast. A protein-rich, balanced meal provides fuel to keep energy levels stable throughout the day. 2. Morning focus time, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., planning and learning. Before diving into work, achievers take time to map out their day and invest in personal growth. Review goals, whether long-term business goals or daily objectives. Reviewing them ensures alignment with overall vision and purpose. Plan the day. Using tools like digital calendars or journals, successful individuals prioritize tasks, schedule meetings, and allocate time blocks for focused work. Read or listen to podcasts. Continuous learning is essential. Reading books on leadership, finance, or industry trends helps broaden knowledge and spark ideas. 3. Core work hours, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Deep work and strategy. This is the most productive part of the day when the mind is fresh and distractions are minimal. Successful businessmen use this time for high-priority strategic tasks. Deep work. These are critical tasks that move the business forward. Developing strategies, writing proposals, analyzing data, or building new systems. Team check-ins. Quick meetings or stand-ups with key team members help align everyone's focus and tackle early bottlenecks. Client or stakeholder communication. Calls with clients, investors, or partners are handled during peak performance hours for clarity and effectiveness. 4. Midday routine, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Reset and recharge. By midday, energy and focus may dip slightly. Successful people know how to manage this lull productively. Healthy lunch. Eating a light, nutritious meal helps avoid post-lunch sluggishness. Many opt for lean proteins, vegetables, and complex carbs. Light movement. A short walk, a few minutes of stretching, or even standing while working helps re-energize the body and brain. Email catch-up. This is a good time to respond to emails and messages that aren't urgent but still need attention. 5. Afternoon productivity block. 2 p.m., 5 p.m. Execution time. The afternoon is about implementation, completing tasks, making decisions, and pushing projects forward. Task execution. Based on the morning plan, this block is for completing business-critical work, including operations, budgeting, or creative work. Meetings or reviews. This may include department updates, performance reviews, or brainstorming sessions. Problem solving. Unexpected issues or challenges are dealt with during this window, when the mind is still active but not overstretched. 6. Evening wrap-up, 5 a.m. Reflect and wind down. As the workday comes to an end, successful businessmen take time to reflect on the day's achievements and prepare for the next. Review progress. A quick evaluation of completed tasks and remaining priorities helps create clarity and satisfaction. Plan tomorrow. Outlining the next day's agenda in advance reduces morning stress and improves sleep quality. Disconnect gradually. Shutting off from work allows the brain to recover. Successful individuals create clear boundaries between work and personal life. 7. Personal and family time, 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. Connection and relaxation. Balance is key to sustainable success. Evening time is often reserved for relationships, hobbies, or light entertainment. Dinner with family. Many top business people consider family dinners sacred. It strengthens bonds and creates emotional support. Conversation or leisure. Playing with kids, chatting with a spouse, or watching a movie helps reconnect with life outside work. Hobbies, reading, playing music, or other creative pursuits nurture personal interests and provide mental relief. 8. Night routine. 10 p.m. Prepare for rest. The day ends with a routine that promotes quality sleep and sets the stage for the next day's success. Limit screen time. Avoiding emails, social media, or stressful content before bed supports deeper, more restful sleep. Read light material. Many successful people read biographies, spiritual texts, or fiction to ease into rest mode. Gratitude practice. Ending the day by acknowledging things one is grateful for boosts happiness and reduces anxiety. Sleep early. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep is critical for recovery, cognitive performance, and emotional balance. Conclusion. The life of a successful businessman is marked by discipline, intentionality, and balance. Each part of the day serves a purpose, from physical health in the morning to deep work sessions, family bonding, and personal growth in the evening. While no routine fits all, the key takeaways are: start early and mindfully, structure your day around high-priority tasks, protect time for learning, exercise, and relationships, reflect daily, and plan proactively. Incorporating these habits consistently will not only enhance productivity but also lead to a more fulfilling and sustainable journey towards success.